Monkeys, while fascinating and intelligent animals, generally do not make good pets for several reasons. While they might seem like an appealing choice due to their playful nature and social behaviors, keeping a monkey as a pet comes with numerous challenges and concerns, both for the animal and the human owner. Here are the main reasons why monkeys aren't ideal pets. 1. Complex care requirements. Diet and nutrition. Monkeys require a specialized diet that mimics what they would eat in the wild: fruits, vegetables, insects, and other natural foods. Many pet monkeys develop health problems if their diet is not carefully managed. Social needs. Monkeys are highly social animals that live in complex family groups in the wild. They need constant social interaction, and keeping them alone or isolated from other monkeys can lead to psychological distress, aggression, or depression. Space requirements. Monkeys are active and need plenty of space to climb, explore, and forage. Most homes don't have the environment necessary to meet these needs. 2. Behavioral problems. Aggression and biting. As monkeys mature, they can become aggressive, especially the males. Even domesticated monkeys can bite, scratch, or become territorial, which can be dangerous for owners. Destructive behavior. Monkeys are incredibly curious and intelligent. They may destroy furniture, electrical wiring, or anything within their reach. They may also engage in behaviors like stealing food, opening cabinets, or causing havoc in the home. Hormonal changes. Many species of monkeys undergo dramatic hormonal changes as they reach adulthood, which can result in challenging behaviors such as aggression or unpredictability. 3. Legal and ethical concerns. Legality. In many places, it's illegal to own a monkey as a pet due to the potential for harm to the animal and humans. Local, state, or national laws may restrict or prohibit private ownership of monkeys, as they are often considered dangerous or invasive species. Wildlife conservation. Many monkeys are endangered or protected species, and taking them from the wild for the pet trade is harmful to both the individual animals and the populations as a whole. Breeding monkeys in captivity for sale as pets is also controversial and raises concerns about animal welfare. Health risks. Monkeys can carry diseases that are transmissible to humans, known as zoonotic diseases. These include diseases like herpes, tuberculosis, and hepatitis. In addition, they can carry parasites and other pathogens that may pose health risks to pet owners. Injuries. Monkeys have sharp teeth, strong jaws, and can be quite strong, especially as they grow older. They may unintentionally harm their owners during play or in response to stress or aggression. Long lifespan. Monkeys can live for several decades, sometimes as long as 40 to 50 years, depending on the species. This is a significant commitment, and many people find that they are not prepared to care for them over such a long lifespan. Ethical and emotional issues. Captivity. Stress. Many monkeys kept as pets suffer from stress due to the unnatural environment and lack of proper socialization. This can lead to psychological issues like depression, anxiety, and repetitive behaviors, such as pacing or self-harming. Emotional burden. Pet owners may struggle with the emotional and financial burden of caring for a primate. Their needs are complex, and without proper socialization and stimulation, they may not bond with humans in the way that domesticated pets like dogs or cats do. Alternatives. If you're fascinated by primates and want to learn more about them, consider alternatives that allow you to experience monkeys in a responsible and ethical way. Sanctuaries. Many sanctuaries and wildlife reserves care for rescued monkeys and other primates. Volunteering or donating to these organizations is a great way to support the well-being of primates while still getting a close-up view of them. Zoos and conservation centers. These institutions focus on educating the public about primates and supporting conservation efforts. They also provide a more naturalistic environment for the animals. Conclusion. While monkeys are undoubtedly intelligent and captivating animals, they make poor pets. They require specialized care, are prone to behavioral problems, and have significant physical and emotional needs that most people are not equipped to handle. If you're looking for a companion animal, there are many domesticated pets such as dogs, cats, or even certain exotic animals like birds that are much better suited to life in a home setting. For the well-being of both the animal and the owner, it's best to leave monkeys in their natural habitats or in professionally managed wildlife sanctuaries.